the next thing that we need to understand is proof by contradiction. So to understand this, let's take a scenario. This is pandemic time and you, like many people, want to paint. So you will be like, I'll get the things that is required for painting. So with this in mind, you update your parents that, I want painting materials, so I'm going to the shop. But your parents are like, it's almost 1, I don't think it will be open. But you will contradict this. You'll be like, you'll assume that no, this will be open as it's an essential shop. Like a medical supply, this is also essential. People will want to draw and things, and so it will be open. So you take out your cycle, right, and you start your journey. You go a kilometer, 2, 3 kilometers, and in 10-15 minutes you reach near the shop. But instead of finding this scenario, you find this scenario. The fact is that the shop is closed and your job didn't get done. Okay, so proof by contradiction works like this. The fact will be something, you take a contradictory stand against it. So in this case, the fact was the shop is closed, but you assume that it's open, right? You make assumption, your assumption contradicts the fact, and you do your work. But when the job does not get done, right, you will be able to conclude that our assumption was wrong and that the fact was correct. So one more example I'll give. Say it is a bright day, sunny day, and the fact is that sky is blue. But you will be like, no, it is pink, right? Not something that is blue. You contradict the fact that it is blue. So you go out, open your eyes with expectation, but you find that the sky is actually blue. So you assumed something, the job didn't get done, so you go back to the fact that yes, the sky is blue. So here in this topic, we're going to see that root 2, root 10, root 5 is irrational. That's the fact. But you assume that root 2 is rational, but somewhere along the line, your job does not get done. You will end up with a false statement, something that is wrong. And then you come to a conclusion that no, the fact was actually correct and my assumption was wrong. So root 2 is irrational. That's how this topic is linked to your root 2 being irrational or root 10 being irrational. So before I shut off the next topic, again I want to revise once. There are 2 things that you need to know. One is that square of any number, if it's divided by a prime number, the square root of that number is divisible by that prime number. And the next thing is proof by contradiction. It's an idea, and I hope you guys understood it.